Guys, I see an Airbus. He's right there. Right there, he's right there. You can see him in the distance. See him in the distance. Yeah or no? Yeah or no? Yeah or no? I see him, he's right there and he's about to come. What plane is that anyway? Probably an Airbus. Or Boeing. I mean, it doesn't matter until you know, until you see it close. So, yeah. Oh, God! Yo! Yo, 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 yo! 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 Hey, yo! Okay, that's definitely getting 1,000 views. Make sure to like and subscribe, please. It's for my family. I'm just kidding, but please like and subscribe. Okay, I see, but still, there's another one. I still see another one right there. I still see another one. He's right there. Actually, no, we're gonna do the video. Okay. Guys, please like and subscribe, and bye.